Thank you, God.
Thank you, God.
That's a very good prayer. You should always offer this prayer. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. When you eat your food, when you get your dinner, do you pray to God? Do you thank God? Huh? I will give you a small prayer. You pray, offer this prayer again and again. When you eat, when you do any other work, say to God, thank you, God. Thank you, God. It is God who has given you this physical body. It is God who has given you the eyes to see, the ears to hear, the nose to smell, the hands with which to do work, the feet and the legs with which to walk. Let us thank God. Now, will you remember this prayer? Thank you, God, for the food I eat. You repeat with me. Thank you, God, for the food I eat. Thank you, God, for the friends I meet.
Thank you, God, for the friends I meet.
Thank you, God, for the food I eat.
Thank you, God, for the food I eat.
Thank you, God, for the friends I meet.
Thank you, God, for the friends I meet.
Thank you, God, for the songs I sing.
Thank you, God, for the songs I sing.
Thank you, God, for everything.
Thank you, God, for everything.
Now repeat. Thank you, God, for the food I eat.
Thank you, God, for the food I eat.
Thank you, God, for the friends I meet.
Thank you, God, for the friends I meet.
Thank you, God, for the songs I sing.
Thank you, God, for the songs I sing.
Thank you, God,
Thank
for
you, God.
everything.
Thank you.
Have you remembered this prayer? Can one of you repeat? Yes? Thank you, God,
Thank God.
for
The food I eat.
for the food. Then, thank you, God, for the friends I meet. Thank you, God.
For the songs I sing.
Thank you, God, for everything.
That's very good.
Thank you, God, for the food I eat. Thank you, God, for the friends I meet. Thank you, God, for the food I
Yeah?
Thank you, God, for the songs I sing. Thank you, God, for everything.
This is everyone's day.
Thank you, God, for the food I eat. Thank you, God, for the friends I meet.
Thank you, God, for the food I eat. Thank you, God, for the friends I meet. Thank you, God, for the songs I sing. Thank you, God, for everything.
Anyone else has remembered? Give the right one.
Thank you, God, for the food I eat. Thank you, God, for the friends I meet. Thank you, God, for the songs I sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for the food I eat. Thank you, God, for the friends I meet. Thank you, God, for the songs I sing. Thank you, God, for everything.
Thank you, God, for the mic I hold. Thank you, God, for making me bold. Thank you, God, I am not old. And did you remember that way, huh? Will you offer this day that tonight you will go, you will give them dinner here or will they go?
I already had
Here. Before you...
I already had my dinner.
Then you will take breakfast tomorrow morning. Before that, you must offer this prayer. Then you will take lunch tomorrow. Before taking lunch, you must offer this prayer. Thank you, God, for the food I eat. Thank you, God, for the friends I meet. Thank you, God, for the songs I sing. Thank you, God, for everything. It's a small prayer. It's a brief prayer, but it's a powerful prayer. You must offer this prayer every day. Every day before you eat your food, you must offer this prayer. Will you do that?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
How many of you will do it? 3. Lift up your hands. How many of you will do it? Very good. Very good. Now I'll tell you a story. Shall I tell you a story of a king whose name was Todd? There was a king. His name was Todd. He wanted to be known as a great philanthropist, as the most charitable man in the world. Every day he would come and sit outside the palace gates, and everyone who came to him, he would give him something or the other. Have you understood? No. Have you understood? What did King do? King Todd do? Yes?
He wanted to be the most charitable man in the world.
Yes, in the world.
Something to each person.
So all the beggars used to come to him, and he used to give to every beggar something or the other. But there was one beggar, he never came to him. One beggar who never came to him. People asked that beggar, why don't you go to King Todd? He will give you something. He used to say, no, I will not go to King Todd. Then to whom will you go? I will go to my God. I will not go to Todd. I will go to God. My God. He used to say, all that is done is done by God. All that is done by God. Nothing is done by poor King Todd. He called the king poor. He said, the poor King Todd, what can he do? Nothing. He can do nothing. All that is done is done by God. Nothing is done by Now, they went and told the king, they said to him that here is a beggar who says all the time, he says all the time that nothing, all that is done by God. Nothing is done by God. Became very sad. He said, I must do something so that this beggar begins to say that all that is done by King Todd. So one day what he did was, have you seen a watermelon?
Yeah.
How big is it? It is that big. He took a watermelon and he gave a cut. And through the cut he put in some diamonds, some gold, some silver. He put it in the watermelon. Then the cut was closed. Nobody knew that there was gold and silver and diamonds inside the watermelon. He came and sat outside the palace gates. One friend of the beggar who always said, all that is done by God. Nothing is done by God. By poor King Todd. A friend of that beggar came. Now, the king said, I will give him this watermelon, and when he cuts it, he will find silver, he will find gold, he will find diamond. He will go and tell his friend. He will tell his friend that this is what the king has done to me. He has given me so many things, and you keep on saying that all that is done by God. Nothing is done by poor King God, King Charles. So he gave that watermelon to this beggar. This beggar was disappointed. He said, what have I got? A watermelon, little, it is so cheap. What has the king done? He has given me only a watermelon. So he met his friend. His friend told him, what did you get from the king today? And he said, I got only one watermelon, nothing else, only watermelon. Today my luck is so bad, I have got only one watermelon. Then this beggar told him, his friend told him, that I have got today $1 bill. $1. Have you seen a dollar bill? Huh? How does it look like? This friend said to him, if you are disappointed, give me the watermelon, I will give you the $1 bill. He felt very happy. He said, I've got $1. I can purchase many watermelons from this $1. So he gave the watermelon to his friend, and the friend gave him a dollar bill. Then the friend went and cut the watermelon. Out flowed silver, gold, diamonds. His eyes brightened. He said, how true it is that all that is done by God. Nothing is done by King Todd. King Todd. So So you must always thank God. For everything that you get, you must thank
God.
God. How will you thank it? Thank you, God, for the food I eat.
Thank you, God, for the friends I meet. Thank you, God, for the songs I sing. Thank you, God, for everything.
That is it. Now what will you tell me? I have told you a rhyme and I have told you a story. What will you tell me?
So, one night, a princess and a prince were on a boat. The princess fell off the boat. Who did it?
You. The princess came and told me that you.
What's the answer?
The night. The night.
The night question.
Why is B always so cold? Why is B always so cold?
Because it is not in a thermos.
Because the A and the C, AC.
If you look at the thing, I'll speak a few words in the Sindhi language. You may not be able to understand. Can you remain silent for a little while?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Can you remain silent? No. Can you remain silent for a while? Can you remain silent for a while? Huh? Then I'll speak a few words in Sindhi. Can you understand Sindhi?
No.
No. That is your mother tongue. That is your language. You must understand. You are the only people who do not know your mother tongue. All your friends in the school, they know their mother tongue. The Spanish boys and girls, they know the English.
I was born in America.
Huh?
I was born in America.
You were born in America, but you were born in Sindhi. Your mother tongue is Hindi. Okay, now you keep quiet. I speak a few words in Hindi. Will you do that? Can you keep quiet for a little while? प्यारे एबी दत्वानी गीत गायो असांजे दिल खे ठारे छॾियो गीत ॻाइणा आहिनि ऐं संदसि आवाज़ कहिड़ो हुन में थियो मां के सालनि खां वठी सुञाणा संदसि आवाज़ मिठो संदसि दिलि मिठी संदसि रोज़ बरोज़ जो वहिंवार मिठो मां संदसि शुक्रगुज़ार आहियां मुंहिंजा प्यारा भाउरो मुंहिंजूं भेनरूं जीअं तव्हांखे ॿुधायो वियो आहे त मां तव्हां प्यारनि जी अॻुवासी रखी सुभाणे अॻिते वञी रहियो आहियां मूं बि पाण खां पुछो त अॼु मां तव्हांखे छा चवां मूंखे भाउर मिलंदा आहिनि मूंखे भेनरूं मिलंदियूं आहिनि पोइ मूंखे चवंदा आहिनि त तूं असांखे चईं थो त तव्हीं शांत में वेहो शांत में वेही अंदर में झाती पायो शांत में वेही अंदर जे ऊन्हाईअ में घिरो ऐं अंदर जो टोलो आहे उहो वञी तव्हीं हथु करियो पर असीं शांत में वेहूं था त पाण असांजो मन वधीक थो भितिके असीं कमकार करियूं वेठा असांजो मन नथो भितिके पर असीं जॾहिं शांत में वेहूं था असांजो मन पियो भितिके पुराणियूं यादगिरियूं अची पवनि थियूं अजाया सजाया वीचार अची अंदर खुलनि था मुंहिंजा प्यारा भाउरो मुंहिंजूं भेनरूं सबबु ही आहे असांजो मन असांजा वीचार उत वञनि था जित असांजी दिलि आहे असांजी दिलि आहे संसार सां चुटियल असांजी दिलि आहे संसार जे ॻाल्हियुनि जे पुठियां पई दौड़े You can sit in silence over a long period. All you have to do is to love God. Give that love of your heart to God. असीं प्रभु खे प्यार नथा कयूं असीं प्रभु खे प्यार नथा ॾियूं जंहिं प्रभु असांखे सभु कुझु ॾिनो आहे जंहिं प्रभु जा असीं जेकर केॾो शुक्रगुज़ार थियूं असीं उनखे यादि बि कोन था करियूं जंहिंजे करे असांजो मन पियो भिटके जीअं पियो मन भिटके तीअं पिया असीं भिटकूं मन सां गॾु असीं भिटकूं था इन भिटकण मां असांजो दर्द असांजो सूर निकिरे थो मुंहिंजा प्यारा भाउरो मुंहिंजूं भेनरूं असीं मामूली माण्हू ऐं संत सतपुरख उन्हनि में तफ़ावत फ़क़ति इहो अथव असांजो मन पियो भिटके हुननि जो मन स्थिर आहे हुननि जो मन फ़क़ति प्रभु ऐं प्रभुअ जे सिफ़तुनि में अटकियल आहे प्रभु खे यादि करियो ज़मानो बदिलबो वञे पियो हिन ज़माने जी उमेद ई इहा आहे Turn back to God. असां हिन वक़्तु पंहिंजनि घरनि मां प्रभु खे धिके कढियो आहे स्कूलनि में कॉलेजनि मां प्रभु खे धिके कढियो आहे जंहिंजे करे ॾिसो केॾो न केओस केॾी एनार्की केॾो इंडिसिप्लिन केॾी टेररिज़म मां जॾहिं स्टूडेंट हुअसि we did not hear the word terrorism Here, any terrorism theory. Bring God back into your homes and into your educational institutions. Turn back to God. Turn back to God. So you keep on repeating. Vadiga kuch na kar. Oh, mantra kya ho? God is watching me. God is watching over me. God is watching me. God is watching over me. Thank you for listening in patience. Thank you. You remember the little poem? Thank you, God, for the food I eat.
Thank you, God, for the friends I meet.
For the food I eat.
Thank you, God, for the songs I sing. Thank you, God, for everything.